When current OER do not meet your needs, you can also create your own OER. For HAC's Create Level grant, a significant portion of the OER will be your original content. You may include existing OER materials, so long as your original content makes up 20% or more of the text. To start, you will locate and review different OER in your subject matter. This is a great way to get ideas and assess what is currently available. Use the Find tab on the left-hand side to see a list of repositories, including OER textbooks, modules, media, interactive elements, and images. Assess what you already have. If you already have created original content, such as lecture notes, videos, and slides, you can incorporate these materials into your OER and make them public under a Creative Commons license. Consider how the OER will fit into your curriculum and teaching style, as well as ways that you can customize it for HAC students. The publishing platform we use, LibreText, has the ability to incorporate interactive elements as well as features for accessibility. When you've completed your project, you will choose a Creative Commons license to publish your OER, which will determine how others can use your work. We have provided checklists and suggested timelines for Create projects. You will be partnered with an OER mentor to help guide you through the project and can receive additional help by using the contacts on the Get Help page. Please reach out to the OER co-chairs if you have any questions.